Lake Powell na ba, ano to? Navajo Tribal Park.
Park rules and regulations. To protect the server, no one should travel.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Your tour guide the entire duration of the tour. Down on site, there are no restrooms. So if you gotta go, please go now. Also down on site, no smoking, no climbing anywhere, no riding or carving. Thank you for helping us preserve Antelope Canyon. The shuttle ride down, it's about 10 to 15 minutes. Very bumpy. So please secure all your items. My tour guides do not stop.
Eventually.
Mga pamangkin, sasakay na tayo dito sa sasakyan. Let's go. Hi, sorry. Thank you. Okay, Arbab. Yes. Tayo lang ba ang sasakay nito?
Siguro.
Ah.
Yep. Hello everybody, my name is JR. I'm your driver and your tour guide inside the canyon. As I'm driving, it is bouncy, a lot of ups and downs. Make sure nothing in the back of your pockets, no phones, car keys, wallets. People lose stuff that way. So again, make sure nothing in the back of your pockets.
Can I bounce with it when it bounces?
Sorry, I can turn that down. We are going to drive up this direction of the wash. It is about 3 miles to get there. Once there, we'll step out of the vehicle, head inside the canyon. It is about 10 to 15 minutes to get there. Once inside, I can do a nice group shot. If you guys want a group shot together, I can help with that. You guys are more welcome to take your own individual photos inside the canyon as well. I'll be talking about the canyon. If you're listening, great. If not, that's fine too. I'm not gonna force you to listen if you don't want to listen. I'll be taking photos just to show you what to see, what to expect. Okay.
Okay.
Photos. For using cell phones, make sure this is clean. Don't clean it like this. You just make it worse.
Yeah.
Always use a t-shirt. Every once in a while inside, give it a nice good rub. I want you guys to have nice photos, not smudges or glares. Flash, you don't need flash. It's horrible, but you can try for yourself. Airplane mode, this does stretch your battery life, plus you have no service inside the canyon anyway, so airplane mode does help a lot.
Okay.
Other than that, we're good. So I'm gonna double check, make sure. Who knows? We might get more people. So I'm gonna go up there and just see what's up. If not, it's just gonna be us.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, JR. Oh, yun na oh. Nadal na yan oh. Kumusta na kayo dyan, guys? So, nakasakay na tayo. Nakasakay na. Hello, Tita Lutz, Tito Ross. So, naka-vlog tayo.
Kami na naman.
Siyempre, tayo lang ang magkakasama palagi. Antay lang natin ng mga kasabay natin, mga pamangkin.
Listen, Janet, mayroon siya.
Yung arkilado natin daw talaga itong itong sasakyan natin ngayon. Inarkilan na. Tayo lang ang pasahero. Let's go. Titigis na, ang dami oh. Ang daming inarkila. Wow, ang saya. Ang dami. Pupunta na tayo doon. Oh yan, ito na yan. Ito yung view. Mga pamangkin. Ayan oh, ang dami oh. Nauna na tayo. Ayan oh. Sus. Yun.
Pero dapat alam yung ganito, mas typical. Ano, di ba?
Oo, ganda. Hi po kayo, hi.
Hawak na hawak si Lodi. Kita kami.
Grabe, ganda. Mga pamangkin, tignan nyo.
Pupunta kami sa Antelope Valley, tsaka sa Lake Powell. Doon tayo pupunta ngayon, mga pamangkin.
Ang ganda. Naon na pala tayo. Siguro may oras-oras sila. O yan, yan ito makikita nyo dito, mga pamangkin. Ang galing.
Siguro in between ng
tayong kauna-una ang bumiyahe. Hindi, maganda kasi yung yan yung makikita mo dyan. Desert.
Hindi ka sanay na kami sa desert. Puro desierto doon. Pero pinong-pino na.
Pinong-pino to, tsaka ibang kulay, no?
Anong kulay doon?
Hindi ka iba
Yun oh. Pang off-road mga pamangkin. So, ayan oh, ganda naman. Ganda ng formation ng mga pamangkin. Kita niyo yan. Matindi. Ito pa oh, tingnan niyo mga pamangkin dito sa kabila. Maganda din yung formation ng bundok nila. Yun oh. Yun oh. Yan pa oh.
A few moments later.
Warning sila dyan, flash flood area to. Yan, tour guides. Yan, let's go. Let's go guys. Arbab, let's go, let's go. Tayo mapasok na sa loob. Go on. Let's go.
Sherry, you're blocking the path. Going up.
Bakit papasok tayo sa loob ng Antelope. Yan na, sir.
Antelope Valley.
Yan.
Ayun na.
Oo. Wow, ang ganda.
We see a hidden image
Wow.
where we see the eagle's head right up there. So inside the canyon, make sure we have good imagination. That's the eagle's head right on top.
Mm.
Right here, we do see a lot of vandalism. People climb up here, put a bunch of names, symbols, dates. Right here, footholds going up to the raven's nest. We can see bird poop right on top. And someone brought in a gun, shot up the wall, bullet holes right over.
Really?
Mm.
This canyon was open to the public back in the 80s and 90s. But to get to our canyon, you needed a good 4x4 vehicle, passing all that thick sand out there. Those individuals that made it here weren't supervised. That's where we get a lot of vandalism.
Mm.
Yeah, it's like somebody tried to write on his own.
Yeah. Come on up, come on up.
Wow, that's ganda. Wow, ang ganda oh. Ay, grabe. Ito pala yan oh.
So I like looking at this beautiful wall
Wow.
right up there. Get that same image. See?
Mm.
Yeah, right up there. See?
Wow.
Very nice.
Very
So if you
nice.
got a camera, look up there.
Dito, ang ganda nga oh. Kahit sa video, ang ganda. Kahit sa video, kita mo ang ganda. Yun oh. Ganda, miss. Ano, picture mo gano'n? Yun oh, ang ganda.
I like this one. This one I'm looking straight up.
Wow! Ang ganda.
Why does it look like that?
JR, can you please
can you please do
take-
it on my phone?
What?
Can you do the shot for me?
Selfie.
Pababa, pataas.
Lagay ako ng ano, malamig.
Pa-picture tayo.
Oo.
What's up?
Selfie.
Ayun.
I could do that too. Right here.
Ang ganda, mga pamangkin, no? Grabe.
Thank you.
Ang ganda.
Picture lang.
Oo.
Best camera?
Here.
All of us.
So, let's go. Magpapapicture tayo, mga pamangkin. Okay.
The lion's head.
Oh, really? Wow. Ang ganda dito, Arbab.
Standing about right here, looking up this direction, we see a hole in the rock. We call this
yeah.
one the crying eye.
Okay.
See a hole in the rock.
Oo nga.
Water coming down so many times, staying the wall white. But again, we call that the crying eye right on top.
Ang ganda, Arbab.
Mga pamangkin, sobrang ganda.
Ang ganda, no? So, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
So you're more welcome to touch the wall. We call this Navajo sandstone. Really nice and smooth. It's not sharp or jagged like some rocks out there.
Ating hawakan nga, mga pamangkin. Wow. Totoong-totoo talaga, mga pamangkin.
So if you're taking photos, don't look forward, Look back, look nice,
Wow.
golden color.
Ano ba po? Golden colors dito. Oh. Ito
Right
naman to.
above them, get a nice photo.
Dito ka side. Yan. Ang galing. Ganda.
Sarap ang picture kayo.
Yan lang yan. Teka lang, patay ko lang. Mga pamangkin din sa loob, ang lamig. Tapos ito yung makikita mo dyan, no? Ay, grabe, ang ganda. Wow. Wow.
Again, if you have a camera, look down this way.
Okay.
Let's do a nice group shot right here. Here. As this water flash flood was coming down, coming to an end, that's when that wood spiraled in that direction. Bam, stayed right there. As the water went all the way down. Nope.
Grabe. Nagawin ng flood hanggang ganito.
A couple of girls said it looked like Baltimore from here. Yep. And some other tour guides call it the guy.
Wala to. Ay, grabe. Grabe. Kung makapagsalita lang to, ilang taon na kaya to?
So this spot where we're standing is actually a horrible spot to be at on a windy day because right on top of us, there's a big sand dune.
Ah.
So whenever an animal or maybe a gust of wind happens, it'll kick some sand down. It's not too bad. However, if it's windy outside, like 30, 40 miles per hour winds, then it's a sandstorm in here. So it looks pretty much like this video.
Wow.
So this is beautiful and horrible at the same time. And when it's happening, I tell my customers, don't look up, but they don't listen. They look up anyway. All that going right in their face. Again, this can happen anytime. If it's windy outside, horrible right here.
Really?
So standing about right here, looking at the very top, I captured another video. But the video I captured is an owl.
Wow.
Keep watching. The owl is going to turn its head and look at everybody. Beautiful bird.
Amazing.
Looks like a cat almost.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Correct.
But that is an owl. Yeah. I have better signal. I can show you up there. I post all my canyon stuff on there.
Okay, thank you.
Ay, grabe, mga pamangkin. Ang ganda talaga. Ayan siya, oh.
So as we continue on,
amazing.
it does get a little bit tighter, more like a hallway. Probably best to stay away from the walls. We do have spiders and they like to be on the walls. Careful, rocks like this are a little bit lower. Don't look at your devices too much, otherwise you'll be growing a horn.
Be careful na ba? Oh, ano ba pagkanda? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Dadaan tayo dito. Dahan-dahan lang. Mga pamangkin. Ay, grabe. Sauce. Medyo madilim na mga pamangkin dito. Hindi na kaya ng camera. Kaya, sige lang. Pamangkin, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda dito, mga pamangkin.
They don't know how to fly. They follow her, but they hit every wall coming down.
Well, thank you po. Ang galing talaga ng claret. Pero ang ganda ng kuha niya yung claret.
The same day.
Oh.
Ikaw, tayo kaya ko.
Thank you po, ang claret.
So if I get the okay from my boss, I'm gonna take her out
Yeah.
because I don't like what she's doing.
I know.
Right up here, everybody.
Yeah, this one.
That was back in 1989.
Okay.
There's lightning here.
1989.
Dito sa ano mo, yan.
Yun.
Yan.
So I have a video.
A few minutes later.
Mga pamangkin, lumabas na kami dito sa may Antelope. Sobrang ganda. Grabe, kung may papakita lang namin sa iyo. Sobrang ganda talaga. So ito, papakuha lang to si Arbab. Let's go, kuhanin natin si Arbab. Oh, ano gusto mo? Titirahin natin ng paganto. 1, 2, 3. Sas! Oh, naka-vlog ka pa habang pinipicturehan ka namin ha. So, let's go. Oh, ang ganda, tinawa. Maganda. Oh, payat mo nga dyan. So mga pamangkin, nakalabas na kami sa Antelope. Sobrang ganda talaga. So yan, nandito na uli kami. Tapos tignan nyo naman mga pamangkin, ang ganda talaga. Grabe. Tapos akit tayo dito. May kaunting lakad. Lakad tayo. Yun. Ito pala yung sinasabing paakyat, Arbab. No. Let's go. Akyat tayo ng akyat. Medyo malambot yung ano, yung buhangin. Pinong-pino po yung buhangin. Dandahan po kayo. Ganito ang ano sa amin. Pino. Yan. Buhangin eh. Akit lang tayo mga pamangkin. Oh, para ka lang din nasa Dubai. Gantong-ganto po sa Dubai. Yan.
Sa Dubai may mga vehicle din
Sabi mo.
Grabe, sobrang ganda dito sa Antelope Valley. Sobrang amazing ni God. Grabe yung creation niya. Mother Nature lang. Mother Earth lang ang makakagawa ng gantong klase ng formation. Only God's creation.
Oo nga. Kaya nga, itong oo, ang tigas no?
Ganda mo, kukuha naman ako dito.
Oo, ganda.
Pag ganito.
Meanwhile,
Mga pamangkin, pabalik na tayo. Ito, nilalakad na tayo dito sa may parang daanan pababa. Akyat tapos bababa tayo. Yun oh, let's go. Yan yun oh. Doon tayo galing kanina.
How many miles from the start to the very outside? Yeah, from the Esplanade.
Arbab. Dito okay lang po kayo? Kaya.
Hindi naman, pero okay lang.
Dito may alay lakad dito. Yan, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Alay lakad yan.
Lahat ng tourists
Oh.
from doon, quarter a mile lang from entrance up to Palawan.
Alay lakad. Mabuti hindi masyadong mainit.
May konting hiking pala.
Oo, pero mataas ang araw pero malamig. Yan ang maganda dito mga pamangkin. Yan, stay on trail daw. So lakad lang. Ito makikita mo dito. Ano ba? Oh, hindi na makahinga. Napagod. Puro ahon kasi. Puro ahon. Pero nadali din naman. Yan, pababa na tayo mamaya. Dire-diretso pababa. Okay? Ano ba? Ha? Ayos ka lang? Ganda nga eh. Ganda ng... Ganda.
Ito yung mga pinag-shootingan ng mga cowboy.
Oo, cowboy.
ng mga cowboys and aliens and
Saka syempre yung mga shooting siguro ni Tom Cruise meron din dito syempre.
yung mga naghahabulan
Habulan. Ito yan.
West
ito,
Coast pala
yeah.
to.
West Coast.
Ganito pala ang mga terrain.
Oo, ang ganda.
Mga terrain ng West Coast.
Oo. Yan ang makikita mo mga pamangkin. Galing tayo doon. Para nasa movie lang. Oh. Tapos ngayon bababa naman tayo. Nakita yung daan na yun, mga pamangkin. Doon tayo dadaan. Bababa naman tayo. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Yan, pati dito. Oh. Yan, kaya tinatawag na alilakad to ngayon. Let's go. Ayan. Okay lang kay Ninang. Bakasyon. Hinihingal ka na, Ninang. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, dito tayo bababa. Malayo-layo pa rin pala. Doon pa, medyo magano talaga. I-enjoy mo yung ano. I-enjoy mo talaga yung trail dito. Yan. Yan, nakita mo yung sa baba. Ang ganda. Tapos doon tayo bababa. Doon pa. Medyo malayo pa yung lalakaran natin bababa. Basta lakad-lakad lang.
Just stay away from the center line.
Ang ganda.
That's one thing you got to stay away from. This is why everybody knows. Yeah. Let us stay away from that. Okay. So you work in this? My office is right outside it.
Season. When we get flash flood coming, so you either cancel it or you wait for a couple hours until the flash flood goes by.
Oh, really? Flash flood is coming in.
Yeah. So it only they made these stairs because of COVID-19. So remember how we walked outside? We used to turn around and go back in, and that was turn around, go back in. But this one is due to COVID-19.
Okay.
That's why we're walking up here.
The time is different. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then when we come back again, turn around, the time change.
Yeah.
So we need to follow the Arizona time.
Yeah. Just Arizona time. So the Arizona time right now, look, 3:10.
Oh,
Okay. So the other crazy time is almost it's 3:30 over there.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the difference. Thank you, Sherry.
Oh, you're welcome.
We're just going.
Thank you, Sherry.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye.
All right, crew, go ahead and head on down.
Let's go. Bababa na tayo mga pamangkin.
Long John underneath my pants. I am hot.
831.
Boiling down there.
So yung mga pamangkin, bababa na tayo. Dahan-dahan lang. Arbab, nandahan ha.
Yeah.
Dahan-dahan, Arbab. Arbab.
Yeah.
Yan, bababa tayo dito mga pamangkin.
Use two hands on the bar. If you get tired, pull to the side and rest.
Oh, it's all the way down.
All the way down.
Dahan-dahan lang sentita.
Yan, picture. Tara, dito kayo, tito. Thank you.
It's okay.
You got a picture of me.
That's fine. Ang galing na, Bel.
Ah. So yung mga pamangkin yun nasasakyan natin pabalik. Napansin niyo yan? Dami pa oh. Yung sasakyan natin papunta dun. Pabalik na tayo. Let's go.
Apple Watch you've done more than your walk today. Paplakpakan na ako.
Mahigit 10,000 yan. Silakad natin ngayon po. Ano po?
ganun.
Oh, hindi ko.
I know. You okay, Dad?
Chloe, just take off your shirt.
One.
Yeah. Oh. Waiting for Mike.
Here's the first, yun daw.
Alright, crew, we'll head back to my horse. The first truck right over here.
Okay. Ninang. Oops. Arbab, okay ka lang? Let's go. Bakit na tayo? Ayun. Pa-picture dun sa ano. Yan.